Hi, I'm Chris, the new account manager here at Verplas. Today, I wanted to run through with you our new price file template. So we've created this new template based on some feedback from yourselves that the old format was time consuming to use due to it being a long list of our product codes along with their relevant prices. What we've done, we've broken down our products into their categories. So you can see here, you have a table of contents, which has thermal, rectangular, round, and so on. You can click on these headings and it will take you through to that product ranges page. Here you'll find a list of all of the products that we offer in their different sizes, the product code, and then the price. For the purpose of this video, I've set the price of every item to £1. And what you can do further from here is click on the product's description and it will take you through to our web page, where here you'll find a list of the specification of the product with any further description, as well as images of the product to ensure you're getting the right product first time. If we go back to the spreadsheet, you have a home button up here, which will take you back to the contents page, where you can then click on any further categories that you require to make sure that you find our product codes the easiest and most efficient way possible. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or any feedback, please give me a call. I'm available on the main sales line. Alternatively, you can send me an email. My email address is Chris.L@verplas.co.uk. Many thanks.